Let's get started. We gotta keep going. Let me know when you're ready. Hello sunshine, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with my son David, and he went and purchased some snacks for us to try today. I have never tried these snacks before, so I'm really excited and nervous. I always love to try things and try new snacks, so I am kind of scared at the same time. I'm really looking forward to trying these snacks.
I'm like picky Nicky. I'm used to like eating like my Mexican candy, my spicy chips, my Takis, my turbos, my hot Cheetos. I'm to be honest, I'm looking forward to this, but I'm looking forward to try this Fanta drink and this M&M drink, which I've never seen before. I could be wrong.
And you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you guys want to watch more videos of us trying new and different snacks. Snacks that you never seen before, and of course, snacks that we never even had. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Which one?
I don't know, Mom.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's try some chips. All right, you guys. So the first snacks that we are going to try, they look like Lace to me. I don't know what these look like. Lemon Lace. All of these snacks that we are having, they came from Exotic Boulevard. So the first snacks that we are gonna try, they're from Lace. Just a smell. You wanna go first? Try first?
Sour.
These are Lace, like lemon, but they're not even, they don't even taste like lemon. You could taste the Lace, a slight lemon. What do you think?
Slight lemon, yeah.
They taste like, they taste sweet, no?
A little bit.
A little bit.
They remind me of the barbecue chips.
Oh, that's right. But they're yellow. Let me have some more. They're good.
And then, like you said, they have like a slight pinch of lemon.
Where are these from? Because they're not American Lace. Thailand.
Yeah.
They're good.
Alright. One more. Alright. For the side, to go on the side, to water that down, we're gonna try this Fanta. It's Fruit Dew Dragon. I've never seen this before. I really want to try this. I've only seen like the regular Fanta brand. I've never seen this before. I'm looking forward to trying this.
Is it soda?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it from the US?
France. Produit. That says right there.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It tastes like Fanta, but it does have like a fruity flavor, like a not fruit punch, but it does taste fruity, and it does taste like soda.
It tastes like soda, yeah. Like,
but not that much gas.
no, not that much gas.
It's good.
Like, you taste like the carbonation, and then you taste the fruit.
Yeah, and there's no aftertaste.
No.
The next candy that we are about to try, it's a premium. It's a high chew. I don't know if this is bubble gum or like candy, but it is. It doesn't. Let me see where it's from. I don't know if this is bubble gum or candy.
Oh, Haichu? Okay, I've seen Haichu, the brand, before. I'm sure you guys have seen the brand Haichu before. Let me put it right there.
Mmm. It reminds me like Mentos. Very chewy. Kind of sour. I'm not a sour. Oh.
That's Haichu. That has a lemon taste. It's good.
It's very good.
It's a little sour.
A lot for me. Because I'm not a sour. I'm not a sour candy person. It's very good. Yeah. It reminds me of Mentos. It's not gum. It is like a taffy. It dissolves as you chew.
Yeah, it does dissolve. Does be cool.
It's really good.
It's what kind of Kit Kat is this? It's a caramelized white, gold on black, caramelized.
It looks like instead of chocolate, it's caramel on the outside.
This is what I think I'm seeing. Reading. Let me read that. But I am looking forward to this.
It looks super sweet. Because the outside is caramel. Thank you. Oh, yeah. You can taste the caramel.
Yeah.
If you like caramel, this is for you.
Yup. I'm used to my milk chocolate.
I'm a dark chocolate person.
It's not bad.
It's not bad, but you know what? I wouldn't eat like the whole.
If I saw it
bar.
in the store on the regular, I wouldn't be like, oh, let me get this. But you know, so I be picky, and sometimes I don't try new things.
The next snacks that we are about to try are Max Extra Crunch, and these are spicy Korean fried chicken chips. Are you a chips? You are a chips person.
Well, I eat like tacos in my sticks.
I love gummy bears.
Mostly the most.
It tastes like, it smells like barbecue. Go ahead.
You can taste the barbecue.
It does taste like barbecue. It does taste like
what it looks like.
Like it does taste like what the picture looks like. The chicken. It does. I like chicken, but these chips, they taste like the Korean. They do taste like fried chicken. And they do have, at the end, like the aftertaste, it does have like that spice.
Yeah.
but I won't take another bite. They do taste like what the picture says.
Pretty good. And here I am just eating it. Pretty good. But now that I'm thinking about it, just the more I eat them, the more I think about it, they just taste like the barbecue chips. Alright, last bite.
Skittles. These look pretty good. We got about 3 of these. I hope these are good. I cannot read where they are from on the back. I don't know. I bet you cannot either.
These Skittles, we can't even see where they're from. I don't understand. I can't translate the writing. I can't read it. Oh, these are so cute. They look cute. They smell like Skittles. They look cute. They look like pastel colors. They taste like Skittles.
They're hard.
Well, that's what Skittles taste like. Mmm. They taste like soap. Don't they taste like soap?
Soap.
Like hand soap. The second Skittle that I tried did not taste like soap.
And we can't even read the flavors.
Mm-mm.
All I see is yellow, light orange, pink, red, and light purple.
And they're all pastel colors. These look like these colors look like for Easter.
Yeah, for Easter. I'm gonna try to show you right here. I like them.
That first one that I had tastes like the aftertaste tastes like soap, like hand soap. I mean, not that I know what soap tastes like, but just like the taste smell like soap. Choo! These are Kit Kat blueberry muffin flavors.
Does it say anywhere where they're from?
No, but the writing is in English. Everything is in English. Ooh. It smells like blueberry.
Yeah. The Kit Kats always come with 4.
Always.
Put it on top.
You can taste the blueberry. But it's not like a heavy flavor.
Yeah.
Like it tastes like half like chocolate and blueberry.
I just kind of like it better than the caramel. Like you could taste the caramel more in the other one than this one.
This one you can taste the chocolate.
This one's good. Fruity Pebble treats. There's 8 bars of these. This is a big box.
These look like something I've seen before in the grocery store.
I know. This looks like something you'd see in the store. Ooh, look.
Damn, these are a good size.
I could like take this to like school on the side, but like this like it came in this Exotic Boulevard box, this party platter bundle, so you can't just get this in the store and take it to school.
This looks like a good size, like when you're running late in the morning maybe like me, since I always carry my coffee in the morning, this would be like perfect.
Marshmallow cereal bar.
Marshmallow cereal bar.
This looks better than the cereal bars that they sell in school.
Oh wow.
And then them dry Pop Tarts in the school vending machine.
This legit tastes like the cereal.
It's soft.
Mm-hmm.
This would be good with some milk.
Definitely.
For me.
Coffee for me. Ooh, brownie. The next snack that we're gonna try, it's M&M brownie. This looks like chocomil, but M&Ms with brownies. This flavor is I'm gonna guess this flavor is a brownie. I am definitely scared to try this, like that extra chocolate milk flavor, because it's M&Ms and brownie, but it says shake well.
Like, well.
Cheers. I was so scared to drink it. It tastes just like Chocomil, the Nestle Quick.
Chocomil?
Nestle Quick.
Nestle Quick. Oh, the powder?
No, the milk that they sell in the store, the single ones. Oh, I taste the brownie now. The aftertaste does have the brownie flavor. It is very like dark chocolate. It looks like hot chocolate, but it's cold.
You can taste the chocolate.
Yeah, the aftertaste. The last snack that we have to try is Dunkaroos. These look like I kind of seen them in the store, but I don't know if it's the actual same one. Oh, they're so cute. All right. You first. So it looks like a little cookie and you just dip it in like icing.
It's not bad. It's like vanilla icing.
Mm-hmm.
Vanilla. I'm not really like a big fan of vanilla.
Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream, yes. But like vanilla chocolate and icing.
There's sprinkles in the icing. It's so cute. You can taste it.
That too. How many things did we have, Chima? We had the Dunkaroos. We had
the Korean barbecue.
The Korean barbecue.
Chips.
The
Lay's.
The Lay's. We had the Fruity Pebble Treats. We had the Skittles. We had the M&M brownies. And we had the 2 Kit Kats. Oh, and then I'm missing the High Chew.
Ooh. So David, out of all the snacks that we tried, which one was your favorite?
I'm gonna have to go with the Skittles. That I cannot read where they are from. Second, I will go with
those were good.
the Lay's.
Those were my favorite. Out of all the snacks, those are my favorite. My personal my favorite were the Lay's chips. And my second one was the Fanta. This drink was really good. I'm not a soda person, but I would drink this.
This drink.
That was like my least. That would be like on the last, at the end of my list. That drink, the M&M's brownie.
And with the chips, with these.
No, for sure the drink is like on the last. Alright you guys, that's the end of our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos of us trying foreign or different kind of snacks, leave a comment down below and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!